say? Right? Better to show up late to the party than never show up to the party at all. Does anybody ever say that, or I just made that up? I think I made that one up just now.
Fashionably late.
Fashionably late. And yes, I am fashionable, and I am late. So there you got it. All right, so we have 12 open lines right now. Squeeze should be here. Squeeze should be here any moment. He is stuck in traffic somewhere in Manhattan, but I got a text from him that he is on his way. He apologizes, but he is definitely on his way. So we should be seeing him at some point in the next few minutes. Did we get the air conditioning fixed in here?
Feels a lot better.
Does it feel a little better? Still a little hot.
Yeah, we're getting there.
We're getting there.
Yeah.
Better than it was.
It was a furnace earlier.
It was oh my God, you had no idea. All right, you do have an idea because you were sitting right next to me.
I was right next to you.
Actually, you have a very good idea when I think about it. 1-800-529-5465. You know what I'm doing right now? I am sharing this page onto my personal page at Brad Bernstein. If my phone ever works, there it is. I'm going to my timeline and post shared. There I have it. And so now I am live on Law Offices of Spar and Bernstein. Same crap, different day, no sound.
Where did we just get this from?
Oh my goodness. Abram Hines. Very frustrated. Abram.
What platform is that? Because we're actually available on Periscope. You search Spar and Bernstein. We're available on YouTube.
Right, but he doesn't hear us. Can you respond to him, please?
Where is this? I'm not seeing.
Yeah, he's right below Wet Sugar Donna, who seems to hear us, and Shani Bay Smith seems to hear us. It is possible. This
is happening on your personal page?
No, it's on the Spar and Bernstein page. It is possible. Abram, 1 second. Can you deal with this, or do you want me to deal with this?
I can deal with it.
You can deal with it. Just let him know it's possible that it's his own connection. It could be his own phone. We have researched this out thoroughly, and we have been told by multiple people that if 90% of the people can hear, then it's an issue from Facebook moving out into your telephone, and it's beyond the control of the Brad and Squeeze show. So the only thing that we can suggest, it's either a problem at Facebook server or it's a problem on your own phone, that either you have a weak connection or maybe
it's a service provider issue.
Service provider issue, a software issue on your phone, that I don't know. But from our perspective, we have researched this out with multiple experts.
A lot of trial and effort.
Okay, and we've put a ton of effort into this, and we have determined, and everyone has said to us, if 9 out of 10 people can hear you, then it's not you, it's them. So can you please let Abram know that sometimes if you can't see or hear, if you can't see and hear, then switch.
Exactly.
Because we have multiple platforms that you can watch on. So you can watch on YouTube, and so everyone seems to be able. Everyone seems to be able to hear fine on YouTube. As a matter of fact, Marissa on YouTube says it's Facebook. YouTube is better than Facebook. It could be.
For videos, I would have to agree.
Yes.
YouTube is better than Facebook.
Yes, it could be. So, if you want, what you tell everybody is go to our YouTube page.
Yeah.
Okay.
We want everybody on our YouTube page.
Yes, I like YouTube. Or you can go to Periscope. Periscope people seem to hear all over the world. And the telephone number is 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. And I'm going to ask the people down in Jamaica if they can share Squeeze page. Thanks. Okay. So, what are we doing here?
We're doing a show.
We're doing a show?
Live.
Live?
On air right
On
now.
Air? So why is everybody just watching me look at my telephone? Isn't that exciting?
That's a weird way to conduct business.
It's a weird way to conduct. Well, you know what? I don't have anybody. I don't have anybody else to, to do all of this. All right. Jeanette's on the phone. 1-800-529-5465. Jeanette.
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
I'm good. I have a quick question for you.
Yeah.
The other day, I was listening to your program, and there was a lady with a similar case like me. She had a daughter who is in the United States with 3 years of green card. 3 years.
Right.
So it means that another 2 years she should be qualified for her citizenship. You told her that there could be another way out. I'm interested because I have the same case with my daughter who is 3 years of green card.
You're saying another way out for what? For her to become a citizen quicker, or for you to get a green card?
No, to help me.
There's no other way for your daughter to help you unless she's a citizen of the United States. Maybe there's other ways that you can get a green card faster that has nothing to do with your daughter. But for your daughter to help you, she has to be a citizen of the United States. She's had her green card she's now had her green card for 3 years.
3.5 years.
How did she get her green card?
Through her father's wife.
Okay. And how old is she now?
24.
Okay. So she was an adult already at that point. Do you know the month and year she got her green card?
I think it was June.
June? Was there a particular year in June or just any June?
2014, but the thing is that she had applied for it from 2013, but something went wrong and she did not pick up the green card till 1 year after.
Yeah.
Does they count it from 2013 or 2014 it was actually?
Yeah, they counted from June of 2014. So 5 years is June 2019. You can file 90 days before your 5-year anniversary. So
you could file it 90 days before.
Yeah. So sometime in late March or early April of 2019, she will be filing for her citizenship, depending on what day in June she got it. And citizenship takes 6 months. So by the end of 2019, you should be well on your way to getting a green card and adjusting your status and getting your work permit and yada, yada, yada.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. So now and by the way, Jeanette, it sounds like, oh my God, I got to wait until 2019, but we're in 2017 right now.
It's not that far.
It's not that far away. When you're like, and then you say, oh my God, I'm in 2017. I still feel like it's 2001.
Yeah, right.
Right? You understand?
Right. So I better hold on until then.
Yeah, just hold on.
What else could you advise me in the meantime?
What else? What other advice can I give you?
Yeah.
Hold on for 2 more years. Unless the only other faster way would be a job sponsorship, perhaps. That could be faster. Or marriage to a U.S. citizen could be faster if it's a bona fide marriage. But getting sponsored by other family members are going to take longer. And then there's other random ways, depending on, what your particular situation is. But, waiting on your daughter for two more years isn't the end of the world.
Okay.
All right?
Thank you so much.
All right, Jeanette. Thank you. All right. 1-800-529-5465. Something amazing happened here at 12:15.
What happened?
Nobody is on the line. It's amazing because usually by 12:15, 12:20, the lines are packed. I don't know if it's because Squeeze is stuck in traffic.
Maybe.
I don't know if it's because we weren't here in the morning.
It might be traffic.
You think it's just everyone's in traffic
Everyone's
right
in
now?
Traffic. It's illegal to talk on your phone and drive.
That's true.
What's happening.
It's very, very possible. But for the people who could sneak a call in, okay, only if you could sneak it in. 1-800-529-5465. We are live. It is a Wednesday afternoon, June 14th, 2017. We are halfway, 15 days from the halfway mark of 2017 already.
It's crazy.
Crazy how time flies. So give us a call right now, 1-800-529-5465, 1-800-529-5465. We are live on Facebook at the law offices of Spar and Bernstein. We are live. We're live on Facebook is it Spar Bernstein?
Law offices of Spar.
Law offices of Spar Bernstein. We're live on Facebook at Brad Bernstein. So you can actually, if you want, you could even become my friend on Facebook. And I friend everybody. I'm a friend of the world.
We all want friends.
Right. I like friends. And you can follow me on my personal page, on Brad Bernstein's Facebook page. You can follow us on Law Offices of Spar Bernstein. If you do follow us on Law Offices of Spar Bernstein, make sure that you click the follow tab and the tab also that you want to be alerted when we come live. That way you'll never miss a show. And that's at Law Offices of Spar Bernstein on Facebook, Brad Bernstein on Facebook, my personal page. On YouTube, it is Law Offices of Spar Bernstein. I am told by everybody, and I mean everybody knows this one, YouTube is the best place to watch us live. It has the best feed. It has the widest angle, has the best sound quality.
Correct.
Right? So YouTube's the place to go. Also, we are live on Periscope. People do like Periscope and Twitter. The Donald likes Periscope and Twitter. Maybe, you know.
Definitely loves the tweets.
He loves the tweets. He loves the tweets. And that place to go watch us on Periscope and Twitter is Spar Bernstein. Now, you could also follow me on Instagram. There are 3 different Instagram pages that you can choose to follow.
That's correct.
Is that correct?
That's correct.
You can follow Bernstein_Brad. That means you're following me. Personally. If you're interested in what I'm doing.
They get to see you travel the world.
Travel the world, what I'm doing each particular day. Everyone will know everything about me. Bernstein_Brad. You can, if you're interested in Spar and Bernstein. Spar and Bernstein is the law office.
Correct.
You can follow Spar Bernstein on Instagram. If you are interested in the Brad and Squeeze show, there is a Brad and Squeeze page on Instagram.
Brad and Squeeze.
And it's Brad and Squeeze. You can follow all 3 if you choose to.
There's actually a 4th bonus option.
There's a 4th bonus. What is the bonus?
That's David Squeeze Annakie.
David Squeeze Annakie. He's not here to promote his own page, but we'll do it for him.
I'm not leaving him out today.
You're not leaving him out to dry. You can also follow David Squeeze Annakie on Instagram as well. And the telephone number to call to my law office right now is 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. Marissa wants us to do the show on Saturday.
I'm okay with that, Marissa. Because we get bonus pay if we come in on Saturdays?
Yes, you would get. You would get. Yeah, there's no slavery anymore.
Yeah,
I would have to pay you. Yeah. Everyone would have to get paid more. I got to think about that one. I don't like.
Spielberg just put his hands up.
Yeah, I don't like. Yeah, Spielberg wants to get paid more, right? Yeah, you're into it.
I'm into it.
Well,
I'm into it.
He's into it. All right. And what about in the evenings? People are home from work.
That's true, but that has to be done without me.
Because you're at the comedy club.
Because I'm at the comedy clubs, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, no, we can't do it without you. It's like you're integral now.
That's what you want, job security.
Job security, right? We can't get rid of you, right? It's like getting rid of Baba Booey. You can't get rid of the guy now, right? All right, 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. Let's go to Melissa. Melissa.
Yes, hi. I have a question. If you filed a motion to reappeal to open like your case, is there any way you can just start over since it's taken too long?
You made a motion to reopen. What case was it? What kind of case did you try to reopen?
Hello?
Yes, hello. What kind of case did you try to reopen?
It was the I-130 and the I-485.
Yeah, I would refile again. You know, when you try to reopen a case, it takes a really long time, number one. Number two, it's an expensive filing fee. Number three, you don't get to renew your work permit. Number four, it goes back to the same person who denied you. So you're better off to refile again and get new eyes on it and get your work permit. I'm not a big believer in motions to reopen. I'm a big believer in just refile and get it done right.
Okay, I already did it, so is it okay if I just start over still?
Absolutely. And since you've kind of been spinning your wheels here, I would suggest that before you do anything further, because I don't want you to refile the same paperwork again and get the same result. That would be insane. So what I think you should do is make an appointment to come see me. Let's figure out what the problem is. So then when you refile it, you don't get a similar result. You get the result you're looking for.
Okay. And how much is the fee? Should I pay?
Hold on. Hold on 1 second. You'll speak to somebody off the air. And by the way, the consultation fee, it's $100 if you want to see one of the managing attorneys. It's $150 if you want to see me. In terms of what our legal fee is, this is how we do it. We meet with you. We figure out what needs to happen. We take our best guess on how many hours we're going to work on the case, and we give you a flat fee based on it. So there's no way that anybody can ever give you a legal fee if you can't get a legal fee if we don't know what we're doing for you yet. All right, 1-800-529-5465. Somebody's tiptoeing in very, very, very gingerly. It's the quietest I have ever seen this man. He is biting his teeth right now. He came in so quiet. I'm going to tell you something. You could have come up from behind, grabbed my wallet out of my pocket, and I wouldn't have known you were so quiet.
Thief in the night.
Yes.
Welcome, Squeeze.
Welcome, Squeeze.
Good morning, ladies.
And it's the Brad and Squeeze Show.
How are you ladies doing today?
Very good. Very, very good.
All
Very
right.
good. All right. So let me fill you in so far.
Please do.
All right. Our first caller.
Well, first things first. They did share the page, right?
Yes, they did.
So I
Yes,
don't have
okay.
to share.
No. Okay. Our first caller.
share.
Our first caller wanted to know when her child can file for her.
Okay.
The second caller wanted, and she has to wait 2 more years.
Okay.
And she's okay with that.
Right.
All right. The second caller had an issue with making a motion to reopen her immigration case.
Good memory.
Yes.
Great memory.
And I said, you know what? I think it's better off to refile again. And she's like, that sounds like a really good idea, but what is this going to cost me? And then I went through what the legal
That's what
fees
I
were,
walked
and
it
that's
on.
when you walked in. In between
Did you
all
tell her it
of
was $1 million?
Yes. In between all of that, we determined that there's a lot of people stuck in traffic, including you. We also determined that people can follow me,
Traffic that you gotta walk in, though.
Spar and Bernstein on Facebook. You can follow us on Instagram. We even threw in a plug of your Instagram. David Squeeze Annakie Instagram.
Wow.
And
I'm impressed.
And Kyle.
Can I have Michelle?
Yes.
Unless Michelle changed.
Yeah. And Kyle and Marissa from YouTube both believe we should be doing a show on Saturdays. Marissa believes we should be doing a show on Saturdays because we'll have more viewers. Kyle, who's the new SMG, believes we should do a new show on Saturdays because he will make more money.
I believe, no, let me tell you something, listeners and everyone in the room.
There.
I have advised Brad
You have now been...
that we should do a show on Saturdays.
You have-
But he's like, Squeeze, I'm not giving you another dime, ever. That's it. All right, forget it. Yes, you're great, but that's it. There's not enough money in the budget. By the way, that's my line. No, we're businessmen, so we got to make sure it works.
Notice me laughing. 1-800-529-5465.
By the way, very
What?
important thing. Very, very important. And I think we all mucked up. M as in mucked up. But I got a lot of calls, got a lot of texts, a lot of slamming on social media that we never advised anyone that we weren't doing the show this
Okay,
morning.
all right. I did on my social media page.
I was getting called. I'm
Okay.
like, these people
And-
our listeners are really serious.
And I will say this. We just had a conversation with Kyle.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, Squeeze and I are going fishing.
Yep.
Okay?
Fishing for what? It's that whole different
Right.
thing.
Friday we will be back. But I already spoke to, strong manly guy over
Okay.
here. All right. I got
SMG.
SMG, strong manly guy. And
Sound like it could be a cartoon
and
series.
He is going to look for a photograph that he can superimpose our faces on, something kind of cute and funny.
People have been
to
finding
say-
those funny, by the way.
Right, to say, gone fishing or something
Gone
like
fishing.
that.
Yeah, okay.
All right, but we'll be back on Friday. All right?
Because I can't take this lambasting from the listeners and the viewers anymore. I really can't.
All right, 1-800-529-5465. Sharon.
You got a new one.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Sharon.
Yes, Squeeze are late this morning.
Yes. Yes. Thank you so much. I'm late.
Yeah, I have a question for Brad because I listen every morning, but today is my time to ask.
Good.
My husband is an American citizen, and he filed an adjustment of status for me in April.
Right.
And I received my biometric on June 4th. But now I learned that he had to do a work permit.
Right.
I just want to ask Brad if if it's something that he has to do, or if since he's sending the paper already, I could leave that.
Do it.
I have to do it?
You don't have to do anything, but don't you want him to work legally and get a social security number?
Yeah.
So then do it. It doesn't cost you anything. It's free.
So it's not too late to do it now?
No, do it now.
It will slow up the process?
Nope, do it now.
So I heard you tell a young man yesterday that he had to do a CP, where there's a question there, you have to put
C9.
The same thing for my extension?
Anybody who's filing an adjustment application and the basis of their work permit, it's C9, Cat 9.
Okay, and I have to pay for it now?
No, you do not pay for it. It's free. You already paid for it when you filed the adjustment.
Okay.
All right?
Okay, then.
You know what your biggest mistake, Sharon, is?
Yeah.
I'm going to tell you what your biggest mistake was. You didn't come see me before you did any of this. So, talking about mucking it up, this is mucking it up. All right? And, in the United States of Donald Trump now, I don't know why people don't believe this. If you muck it up and you get denied, your husband's getting put in deportation.
Yeah.
Yeah, she doesn't. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
But
okay.
I will make an appointment to come and see you. Okay.
All right. Fabulous, Sharon.
Okay. Thank you.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know if Sharon was saying okay, like okay, like shut up, I know, or okay, like I'm not interested in anything you have to say. Just tell me C9 and let me move on.
No, I think she was.
I'm not, or she was saying, I got to pay money for this. I don't know what was the
feeling.
The feeling that was coming out.
What she understood.
She's just processing the information, I think.
What?
She's just processing.
Processing. You know who does that? You know who does that?
Oh.
Lenny.
She just says okay?
She says okay, and she processes it. I don't know what she's thinking, and it drives me crazy. I go, are you mad at me? Did I say something? No, I'm just thinking about what you just said.
No, you want to know what, Brad?
What?
In Lenny's defense.
Yes.
And this is not being chauvinistic or anything.
Yes.
All women do that.
Yeah.
When they want to, they just come across, they're like, you say something and they give it as an answer, like, just leaves you completely thinking and wondering, what the hell are they understanding? And they will not come back and explain it.
Yeah.
So it's either you're in trouble.
But eventually,
eventually comes out.
Yeah.
It's coming out one day, and you're going to get it, good or bad.
By the way, on my Instagram, I'm following, I just noticed, everybody that I follow follows me back except for one person.
Okay, hold on. Let me
Squeeze. There's only one person who doesn't follow me back that I follow.
I unfollow everybody who doesn't follow me.
Okay, yeah, but I want to show you the one person who doesn't follow me back.
Oh, really?
Only one. The entire one person.
Really now?
That's it.
I'm going to fix that.
Yeah. It's very insulting.
I am going to fix that.
1-800-529-54. You know the person.
Yes,
Fabrice.
Yeah.
Hello.
How are you? Fabrice.
Yeah,
I like Fabrice. It makes my room smell all very nice and fresh. How are you?
I'm good.
They named the product after this man. Would you believe that? What's up?
He's a clean dude.
He's a clean dude. What's up?
Yeah, I just called because I got a lot of problems right now.
What's your problem?
I applied for my papers for like 2 years now, and every time they try, like, I don't know how they play with me or I don't know what they do. Last time they canceled all my form, like they told they didn't need my papers. They apply again, and this time.
Why were they denying you?
Because for the A64, TRC4, things like that. Yeah, hold on. They need because they asked me for somebody who gonna sponsor because my wife don't make more money.
Ah, so you didn't.
Yeah, and when I get somebody, and we do it one forms.
Okay.
And
so then come. All right. Let me ask you a question. Where you from?
Yeah.
Where you from?
I'm from Gabon.
From Gabon. That's in Africa.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you and your wife are married right now?
Yeah, we still married.
And how did you come to the United States?
What do you mean, you and your wife?
I come out with
you and his wife, if it's his wife, he's married.
Visitor.
I'm sorry?
I come like visit.
You came on a visitor's visa. And you don't have a criminal record or anything?
No, sir.
All right. So you have someone to give an affidavit of support? You know a friend or family member who can step in for you?
I did.
You do? Okay. Hold on.
Yeah.
We're going to help you and fix all this. Hold
That's
on
what
one
I'm
second.
talking about.
All right. That's all the information I need to know to help the man. And Marissa says, you all really need to come see Brad because Immigration National Visa Center ain't playing with your cases.
Ain't.
Isn't. I can't even read right. I just made Marissa sound not grammatically correct when she is grammatically correct. My apologies, Marissa. When the National Visa Center isn't playing with your cases. So just come see Brad and stop playing the ass.
Fault.
All
All right.
All right. 1-800-529-5465.
All right, I'll tell you what. You know what?
I just want to say one other thing.
Yeah.
Nicola Kramer says all of Brayton, Portmore, Jamaica is watching the entire town.
We say Brayton.
Brayton. The entire town is watching right now.
Yeah.
That's what she says.
I used to live in Independence City, Portmore.
Uh-huh.
But here's what I want to do.
What? Page 21.
Ladies and gentlemen. No. I'm going to use my page 21 for something very special. Ladies and gentlemen, I have, I believe, close to 130,000 followers on Instagram. My dear friend here, the same way when he came up to the Bronx in his rinky-dinky BMW, and I told him he cannot be my lawyer because image is everything, especially in his profession. Not like my profession. I can go down the street in my little Everlast Sinkers, whatever. All right?
When I met you, when I met Squeeze, I was an attorney, and I was driving a 12-year-old BMW that was like completely beaten down, and Squeeze was like, dude.
You can't be my attorney. No, you can't.
Dude,
You don't look like my attorney.
Go get a nice car. When you drive a nice car and you pull up, then I'm going to tell you my legal issues. Until then, I'm going elsewhere. And you want to know what? He went elsewhere. True story.
Yeah.
And his citizenship was denied 5 times.
4 times.
4 times. Because he wouldn't hire me because I had a rinky-dink car. It was crazy.
I'm sorry.
And then finally he got to know me. I upgraded my car. I did a citizenship, and then he became a citizen. True story.
Yeah.
Wow.
So, getting to the real matter at hand here. I have like close to 130,000 followers. Brad has 461.
Well, I just started 3 weeks ago.
No excuses.
In my
We can't
defense.
hold up. I'm gonna
In my
use.
defense, it was 3
I'm gonna
weeks
use
ago.
my USA Credit Repair page 21 time that we normally do to assist Brad. He's at 461. Can you all help me to get him to at least 500 before the day's over? So everyone that's out there, I need for you to go to Instagram, please. Okay, let me do this. Okay, I need you to get some followers.
Do you have
man.
to also announce it on your Instagram page?
I will do that.
will,
Come down. Okay, all right. Okay, go to his page and follow Bernstein_Brad. Bernstein_Brad. As a matter of fact, do it now. Let's get him to 500. Come on, Kyle, take your phone out. I know for a fact you're not following.
He does follow.
And Daniel, I know for a fact you're not following.
Daniel follows. He likes every
just
video.
messing with you.
Kyle doesn't
So
like it. You're
Instagram,
not
go
following.
to Brad's page, which is Bernstein_Brad. Okay, and start following him. All right. Yeah, I'm at 129K, so this doesn't look good. He needs to be up there with me. All right. I know he just started, so we're all helping. And this is all brought to you by USA Credit Repair. If you want to get your credit fixed, just go 1-800-USA-7177. But right now, everyone, go to Instagram, follow Bernstein_Brad. All right? It's very, very important. It's as a matter of fact, he's got some very funny clips also.
Right. Up until 3 weeks ago, it was just my family and my closest friends. And then I just said, Squeeze is like, dude, come on.
That is true.
Right.
All right. So that's it. That's my little public service announcement for today. Let's get back to another question at 1-800-LawLink, 1-800-529-5465. And listen, folks, you will learn a lot by going to Bernstein_Brad. You'll learn more immigration help.
Yeah, that's good. It's a cool page.
Go to my page. It's
Cool page.
cool page.
Yes.
Got some other stuff on it.
All right, Carmen.
Yes.
What's up?
Yes. Mr. Bright.
Oh, he's at 465
Ah.
I'm just calling to ask you.
Yes.
If you file for an unmarried child who is 30 years old, how long it will take for him to get through?
About 7 years.
How much?
7 years.
7 years.
7 years.
Is he unmarried?
Unmarried, child over the age of 21 is approximately 7 years, maybe 6 years if we're lucky.
Oh.
Yeah. So it takes a long time.
Oh my God.
Yeah. But why don't you come in and make an appointment? Let's see if there's other options, okay?
Yeah, sometimes
That
people.
doesn't, everyone always thinks the only option.
Yeah.
Everyone thinks the only option is I have to file for my kid and I have no other option. There's other options besides family sponsorship.
Yep, and that's what we've been trying to tell them.
All right, hold on 1 second, all right?
Once again, folks, the number to call is 1-800-529-5465. That is actually the number for the law offices of Spar and Bernstein. 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-529-5465. Once again, make sure you check us out each and every single weekday at 9 and 10. Tomorrow we will not be here. We're going fishing.
Fishing.
Yeah.
What do you hope to catch?
Fish, I hope.
Big ones.
Big ones.
A big one.
This is not how fishermen
We're going
talk.
for the big one.
It's
And by the way, on Friday we will have a bunch of fish stories that none of them are true, right?
All right,
We
there
had
it
the
is.
big one. Like everyone lies about the size of the fish they got.
Yep, people always do that.
People always lying about their fish.
Yeah. That just doesn't sound right. 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-529-5465.
But that's why they got the term that sounds fishy, right? Think about it.
I'm
What do
lost
you think
as to
that
what
is?
we're talking about right now.
All right. Martinez has a question. Martinez.
Martinez.
Yes, sir. How are
you,
you?
sir?
Yes, I have a question. I have my resident, right? So I would like to apply for citizenship. But what happened? In 1992, I got 2 DUI, and then after 10 years, I have one more DUI, and that was in 2005. But I've been going to therapies and everything. Everything was done. I would like to apply for my citizen. You think it's a problem?
You have DUIs or DWIs?
DWI.
Okay, DWI is deportable. DUI is not. Yes, it's a problem. You should come see me.
Yep.
Hold on 1 second. Even if it happened more than 5 years ago. Hold on. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. This is all brought to you by USA Credit Repair. Page 21.
I did that already.
I'm doing it again. Credit is a beautiful thing. Good credit is a beautiful thing.
No, USA Credit Repair.
USA Credit Repair is the key to beautiful credit.
Exactly.
1-800-872-7177. Call these guys right now. They are standing by as we speak to speak with you about your credit issues. 1-800-872-7177 or WeFixBadCredit.com. I love WeFixBadCredit.com because WeFixBadCredit.com specifically says exactly what these guys are going to do for you. It's really unambiguous. WeFixBadCredit.com, 1-800-872-7177. Lorenzo, back to immigration.
And before we get to Lorenzo, I want to say thanks to all the folks who have liked the Brad's page.
Have we?
You're up to 469.
Really?
Okay, so you have jumped 8. Okay, 8 people of all the millions of people out there. Only 8 loves you. Okay, only
8 more.
8 more loves you. I'm sorry. Okay, 8 more people liked your Instagram page, which is Bernstein_Brad. Brad, you are really loved for only 8 people.
Right.
I mean, for so much as 8 people to follow you within the past 5 minutes. It's very nice of them to follow Bernstein_Brad. That is true exponential growth.
At that rate.
It is true exponential growth. Thank you very much, Mr. Annakie. Lorenzo!
Hey, good afternoon, gentlemen.
How are you?
My name is Lorenzo.
Yeah.
I'm actually calling for a friend of mine.
Right.
He's a Cuban immigrant that actually has a green card that just expired 3 months ago. So the first item is what I've heard, and I don't know if it's accurate or not, that you have a 6-month grace period to renew your green card. Is that correct?
He had a 10-year card or a 2-year card?
I think he had a 10-year card.
You have the rest of your life to renew your green card, but you're supposed to renew it 6 months prior to the expiration. If you don't renew it...
so what happens now?
He's still a lawful resident. He just has no...
What
proof
about
of
the
it.
ones who don't have any expiration?
They should...
I'm sorry, say again?
Because I used to have one way back.
Let me finish Lorenzo first. He is still a lawful resident of the United States. Just because you don't renew your green card doesn't mean you've lost your lawful resident status.
Okay.
The problem is you have no evidence to prove to anybody that you are a lawful resident.
Okay.
So he should just go and renew it now.
Okay, now let me ask this question. Once you do renew it and you're in this wait period to get the new card, let's say if he wants to travel through the border to Montreal, as an example, he cannot do that until he gets a new card, correct?
Correct. But what he can do is after he has applied for his new card and he has fingerprinted and he has gotten a receipt notice back from the immigration service, he can make an appointment to go down to the immigration service and put a temporary stamp in his passport that would act as evidence of his lawful residence to allow him to travel.
Okay, so he needs that stamp. He just can't go under the, I guess, illusion or the impression that once he filed online, that should be okay.
No, he needs a stamp in his passport.
Okay. And do you, by any chance, in terms of the renewal, since it expired, does he have to start this whole process brand new?
No, he just is doing an I-90 for replacement of an expired green card.
And is there a fee for that?
Yes.
By any chance, do you know what that is?
I do, but I don't remember off the top of my head, but I can look it up for you.
Maybe a ballpark?
Oh, it's $500 and something, I believe. Let me double check.
And while you're doing that, let me just throw this question out in the air. I mean, is there a typical time frame for a renewal? 3 months, 4 months?
3 months.
Okay.
I'm going to the wrong page now. Retarded. Excuse me 1 second. I-90 is $455 plus 85, which is $540.
Great.
All right.
Gentlemen, I appreciate the assistance and the legal help. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you very much.
Have a good day. Bye.
There you got it. He appreciates it, Squeeze.
He does.
That's appreciation.
That is true appreciation.
Well, this gentleman, which we were.
Thank you.
He appreciated it.
Yep.
He had all his questions right up front.
Yep.
All right, let's go to Lisa. Lisa.
Lisa.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
Good morning.
I'm good. I have a question.
Sure.
Can anything be done if you have been a victim of fraud by your lawyer?
If you were the victim of fraud by a lawyer, they have U visas that if you were victimized and had to through some sort of perjury. Perhaps if you have an injury, the injury would have to be some sort of emotional injury. I once, years ago, had a Korean client. He was from Korea and had a pastor, and the pastor defrauded him. And he thought he was being sponsored by his church, and he was a God-fearing man, and he went to church, and the pastor basically took his money and never did anything. And as a result of that, he ended up losing his marriage. He was in therapy. He had emotional breakdown and was truly emotionally distraught over the entire thing. And eventually the pastor got arrested, and we were able to get him a U visa. But it's not just you're the victim of a crime. You have to show an injury. So when it's a financial injury, when it's a financial crime or a fraud crime, your injury is going to be emotional. It's not going to be physical versus, God forbid somebody shoots you or something like that.
So emotional is not valid?
I'm sorry? Emotional is valid if you can prove it. And it's not just saying I feel sad. That's not enough.
No. What happened was that...
1 second. Hold on. I don't want to hear what happened on the radio. Hold on 1 second.
Very important.
All right, but hold on. You'll come talk to me privately.
1-800-529-5465.
Not that I don't want to hear. Let's talk about this privately.
This calls for a private conversation, one-on-one, all right? 1-800-LawLink is the number to call, 1-800-529-5465 to book those appointments with the law offices of Spar and Bernstein. Once again, welcome to the Brad and Squeeze Show. Don't forget to follow my friend Bernstein_Brad on Instagram. Trying to get his followers up to at least 500.
Everybody,
right?
I'm getting a lot of thumbs up right now on Facebook.
Either
somebody really liked my answer or just wants a lot of followers for me on Instagram. I'm not sure what.
You never know.
Right, but I love when the hearts and the thumbs come by.
Mm-hmm.
And then it's hilarious when you get the angry faces.
Yeah, it's everyone's getting very interactive right
Yeah,
now.
if you get the angry face when you mention Donald Trump and 10,000 immigration officers, now all of a sudden watch angry faces.
What's he up to these days?
I don't know. He hasn't tweeted anything recently.
There was a tragedy today.
Yes, a congressman got shot.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened though.
It was at a baseball game. Well, at a baseball practice.
He was on the congressional baseball team.
I guess we don't know what happened.
Well, it's in the paper now, but I've been doing the show, so I haven't been able to actually.
You mean current news is not a part of the show?
Current news is part of the show, but I was trying to do everything all at once. While you look up the current news and update us, SMG, why don't you go to social media?
All right. Jason wants to know, how can someone handle jury duty if they're out of status?
You fill out the form, you submit a copy of your passport page, say you are not a U.S. citizen, and you will be relieved of jury duty.
Carly Freeman says, how do you get sponsored by your church?
You have to be able to prove that you are not a dedicated member of the church, but that you are a religious professional, that you have 2 years work experience, you've dedicated your life to this church. Not that I'm dedicated to the church, I have another job, and by the way, on the weekends I'm here at the church. That's a dedicated member of the church. Somebody who devotes their life as a pastor, a missionary, something of that nature.
Okay. George Smith wants to know, my wife filed the I-130 form for me and received the application acceptance receipt from USCIS, but has not yet been approved. I would like to do my master's degree, but my STEM opt expires this month. Will this affect my application to adjust status?
Your stamp what?
It says STEM, S-T-E-M.
Oh, STEM.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So this person's on a student visa.
Okay.
All right, and it will not affect your adjustment of status. If you have an adjustment of status, you should get a work permit, and you can go to school. You're not going to pay out of state tuition. When you get a green card, you can get financial aid.
Okay, and Latoya wants to know, if you're adding a child to your filing, do you pay the same fees as you pay for yourself?
For an adjustment, the children under 13 are a little less.
And Marissa just wants to say LOL.
LOL. LOL. LMFAO.
Also, what's the international number to reach the firm?
212-227-8933. That's +1 212-227-8933. +1 212-227-8933. There you have it. Squeeze. We seem to have lost our feed on YouTube. Is it going? Or is it my computer?
That's your computer.
See, this is what happens. That's what happens sometimes.
No, I was just looking at an email here. Someone said, good morning. I'm disappointed that no one got back to me within 24 hours, as you said on the radio. So I ripped someone apart. Okay.
Are you talking about USA Credit Repair?
And they got a call and they offered them free service and the whole 9 yards. This person's job was on the line. Everything took care of. So this person emailed me back and said, thank you for being so professional.
Right.
Everybody after that was extremely professional, very, very structured and all that.
You know what?
You're always going to find that one or two occasionally. And people you just have to face your issues and deal with them and move forward.
Right. Well, what you did is you said, I can't fix the past, but I'm going to make the future a lot better for you.
Exactly.
And I think that's the way to handle it.
Right. Some people run away from it. Right. All right. That's what I like about the Brad and Squeeze show. That's what I like about the law office of Spar Bernstein. Brad faces everything head on. It's a good thing he's not driving on a road and some guy's honking the horn. He probably will swerve to them.
All right, let's go to Dornette. Dornette.
But what? Whoa! Hold
on, Dornette. Sorry.
Strong, manly guy. What's up?
Hang in there.
You're not doing no social media, man?
We just did it.
That was it?
Yeah, that was it.
Nah, that's impossible.
That was all.
How much you want to bet?
What am I missing?
Brad, you know it's impossible for you to only have a couple of questions.
We had like 5.
It's so weird.
No. How much you guys want to bet? It can't be 5. Go back to double click on it and scroll up.
We're going through all of them once more. I'm seeing the exact same things. Everybody, the problem is we're very thorough.
Only 5 questions on social media? Oh, that's because you're clicking on the wrong page, man.
Yeah, it is a problem because we
I'm
lost
telling you.
half our viewers on YouTube.
I'm telling you, there's something wrong.
What?
Just
5. Use your phone. Use your phone.
Unless the internet in this building is going down,
I've never
we
saw
should
it
have
down.
no issues.
Going down.
A lot going down.
All right, let's
go back to the radio.
Radio. Hello? Dwanette.
Yes, good
Something's
day.
wrong here.
I'll ask a question.
Yes.
Yes, my husband